Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sync your Gmail contacts with your iPhone. First, open the Settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Contacts to access its options. From there, you will see an option to Add Account, which is where we will start our setup. This initial step is crucial for integrating your Google account seamlessly with your device, ensuring all your important contacts are readily available. Next, you will be presented with a list of account providers. Select Google to proceed with adding your Gmail account. You will then be prompted to sign in using your complete Gmail address and password. It's important to ensure you enter these details accurately for a successful connection. After signing in, you will need to grant specific permissions, allowing your iPhone to access and manage your Google contacts, which is a standard security measure. Once your Google account is successfully added, you will see a screen listing various services associated with your account, such as mail, calendars, and contacts. Make sure the toggle switch next to contacts is in the on position. This action directly enables the synchronization of your Gmail contacts to your iPhone. You can also choose to enable other services if you wish. Within moments, your contacts will start populating your iPhone's Contacts application. Finally, to verify that the synchronization was successful, open your iPhone's Contacts application. You should now see all your Gmail contacts integrated into your phone's contact list. If you don't see them immediately, give it a few moments, as the sync can take a short while depending on the number of contacts. If contacts still aren't appearing, double-check your internet connection and ensure the contacts toggle remains on in your Google account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.